Hello everyone. Now in unit number 1 chapter 2 linear regression. We completed shortcut method in last video. Right now we are going to start our most important topic short sums. Okay, short sum ના આપણે લગભગ અલગ-અલગ 3 to 4 videos બનાવશું. એટલે એ રીતે આપણે સ્ટડી કરવાનું છે different type ના sums. Okay. Let us start our short sums. Okay, so our first sum is find two regression lines using data given below and hence estimate x for y equal to 30. See, આ સમ જે છે ને એ ઘણી બધી વાર યુનિવર્સિટી એક્ઝામમાં પૂછાયેલો છે. આ હેડિંગ ટાઇટલ સેમ હોય, અમાઉન્ટ સેમ હોય. આ જે ક્વેશ્ચન છે ને થોડી વાર ચેન્જ કરી નાખીએ. ઓકે, સો we are finding our solution. Okay, see, n is given by n, x bar 30, y bar 40, sigma x minus x bar whole square is 120, y minus y bar whole square is 346, and sigma x minus x bar into y minus y bar equal to 193. See, for two regression lines, we need 6 values, respectively x bar, y bar, byx, a, bxy, and c. Okay. So we have x bar and y bar already given by 30 and 40 respectively. So right now we are going to find our first regression line. First regression line. Regression line of y on x. Okay. First we need b. b is equals to byx here. And byx is equals to, okay, from given information formula is sigma x minus x bar into y minus y bar divided by sigma x minus x bar whole square. It is equals to sigma x minus x bar into y minus y bar 193 divided by sigma x minus x bar whole square is given by 120. Okay, so 193 divided by 120 it gives us 1.61. 1.60. Okay, after finding b, find out a. A is equals to y bar minus bx bar. Sorry, આપણે અહીંયા find કરીએ એટલે પહેલામાં જ આવી જાય. A is equals to y bar minus bx bar equals to y bar, here it is given by 40, minus b 1.61, and x bar is given by 30. Okay, so 40 minus 1.61, 1.61 multiplied by 30, it gives us 48.3. Okay, minus 40 કરવામાંથી એટલે minus 8.3 is value of a, minus 8.3. Okay, now find regression line y on x. Y is equals to a plus bx. Therefore y is equals to minus 8.3 plus 1.61x is our regression line of y on x. Okay, now see which question is asking here. Hence estimate x for y equal to 30. That means we don't have to use this regression line for our answer. We have to use regression line of x on y because we have to find value of x. Okay, now we are finding our next regression line, that is a regression line of x on y. Okay, regression line of x on y. First of all, find out b. b is equals to bxy. bxy is equals to sigma x minus x bar into y minus y bar divided by sigma y minus y bar whole square. Okay, substitute the value sigma x minus x bar into y minus y bar 193 upon 346. 193 upon 346. It may be 0.50 or 52, 56 around like 193 divided by 346, 0.56, okay, 0.56. Okay. Afterward, find out A. A is equals to y bar minus bx bar. So y bar here it is given by 40, x bar 30. 40 minus b equal to 0.56. 0.56 into x bar is equals to 30. So we will get a equal to 0.56 multiplied by 30. It is equals to 16.8 minus 40, and we will get 23.2. Okay. Now find out regression line, or putting the values, these values in regression line of x on y. So x is equals to c plus by is regression line of x on y. Therefore, x is equals to what? Not here, not a, it is c. x bar અહીંયા એક ભૂલ કરી આપણે. C is equals to x bar minus by bar. Okay, so x bar it is equals to 30. 30 minus 0.56 into 40. Okay, it is equals to formula આગળની આવી ગઈ 0.56 into 40. 22.4 minus 30 is equals to minus 7.6, but we have to write 7.6. Okay, so x is equals to c plus by. C equals to 7.6 plus b 0.56 into y. Okay, now see which question is asking here. Estimate x for y equal to 30. चलो y equal to 30 put करिए. Putting y equal to 30. Therefore, x equals to what? 7.6 plus 0.56 into 30 equals to 7.6 plus 0.56, 0.56 into 30. It gives us 16.8. 16.8. It is equals to total of both the amounts is plus 7.6, 24.4. Therefore, x is equals to what? 24.4 is our last answer. Okay, chalo to આ method નો આપણે એક sum લઈશું because it is quite easy method. Our second sum, the following results are obtained for a bivariate sample of 5 units. Means this is equals to n. N is equals to 5 units. Okay, obtain the equation of regression lines. See here regression lines is given, so we have to find two regression lines. Sigma x, sigma y, x square, y square, and sigma xy is given. So here we have to use a direct method. Okay, first of all find x bar and y bar first. Okay, solution, find x bar and y bar. X bar is equals to sigma x upon n. Sigma x upon n 5 divided by n equal to 5. 5 upon 5 equal to 1. Now find y bar. Y bar equal to sigma y upon n. Sigma y is equals to again 5 upon 5 is equals to 5 upon 5, 1. Okay. Now after getting x bar and y bar, try to find regression line. We are finding our first regression line. Regression line of y on x. Okay. Now first find out b. B equals to byx. Byx is equals to n sigma xy minus sigma x into sigma y upon n sigma x square minus sigma x whole square. This is formula of finding b. Okay, putting the values, n is given by 5. Sigma xy, here it is minus 21. Minus sigma x 5 and sigma y both are 5. 5 into 5 upon n is equals to 5. Sigma x square is 45 minus sigma x whole square. Sigma x is 5 whole square. Okay, so So it is equals to 21 into 5 minus 105 and 5 into 5 25 upon 45 into 5 225 minus 25. Okay. So in numerator what left 105 plus 25 it is minus 130 divided by 200. चलो तो ऑफ करिए तो पॉइंट 130 divided by 200 0.65 minus 0.65. Okay. Now find out A. A is equals to y bar minus bx bar. So y bar equal to 1, x bar both are 1. So 1 minus 0. B is minus 0.65 into 1. So it is 1 minus minus plus 0.65. We will get 1.65. Okay. Now our question regression line y is equals to a plus bx. Therefore, y is equals to what? A 1.65, b equal to minus 0.65 into x. This is our answer. This is our first regression line. Okay, it is y on x. Now similarly find out regression line of x on y. Regression line of x on y. Okay, now for regression line of x on y, first we need b. B is equals to Pxy here. It is equals to n sigma xy minus sigma x into sigma y upon n sigma y square minus sigma y whole square. Okay. See, always in both the regression coefficients, numerator are equal. આપણે અહીંયા જે -130 આવ્યું હતું એ જ અમાઉન્ટ લઈ લઈએ એટલે કેલ્ક્યુલેશનની કઈ માથાકૂટ ન રહે. -130 divided by n is equals to 5 sigma y square. Sigma y square 25 and sigma y 5. Okay. n sigma y square એટલે 25 minus 5 whole square. So it is equals to -130 divided by 125 minus 25 equals to -130 divided by 100. It gives us -1.3. So b equals to -1.3. Now find out a. A is equals to y bar minus bx bar. So y bar is equals to 1 minus b equals to -1.3 into x bar equals to also 1. So it is 1 plus 1.3 equal to 2.3. Okay. So regression line of x on y is x is equals to c plus ફરીથી અહીંયા એ જ ભૂલ કરી આપણે આગળના સમમાં જે થઈ હતી. Actually we have to find c equal to x bar minus by bar. Okay. But answer માં કઈ ફરક નહીં પડે. X bar is 1, b equal to -1.3 into y bar equal to 1 because both x bar and y bar are 1, 1. 1.3 is equal to 2.3. Okay. Now our last answer is regression line x is equals to c plus by. Therefore, x is equals to what? C 2.3, b -1.3 into y. This is our regression line of x on y. Okay. चलो तो બંને મેથડ સોલ્વ કરી નાખીએ. એક શોર્ટકટ મેથડ, direct method, and when x bar and y bar are integer. Okay, our third question. Next question is the following results are obtained for sample of 25 pairs, means n is equals to 25. Okay. Sigma x is equals to 125, sigma y 100, sigma x square 650, sigma y square 460, sigma xy 508. Subsequently, it was found that two pairs of observations 8,12 and 6,8 were wrongly taken as 6,14 and 8,6. Actually, it is 8,6. Find the equation of regression lines after necessary corrections. Okay. So first we have to find correct value of all these values. Okay. So we are starting our solution. First, write down n is equals to 25. Okay. See, first we have to find correct values of sigma x, sigma y, x square, y square, and xy. So here we are giving one title, correct values. Okay, one by one આપણે find કરીએ. First value sigma x. Sigma x. Okay, before we start this calculation, see again read this question. Subsequently, it was found that two pairs of observation 8, 12, and 6, 8 were wrongly taken as 6, 14 and 8, 6. બરાબર. તો actually કઈ લેવાની હતી તો કે 8, 12, 6, 8 અને એની જગ્યાએ કઈ લેવાય ગઈ 6, 14 and 8, 6. તો આપણે અહીંયા લખી શકીએ કરેક્ટ વેલ્યુ કઈ છે તો કે 8, 12, 6, sorry 6, 8 and wrong values are respectively 6, 14 and 8, 6. Okay. These are the pairs. એટલે એક સાથે જ આવશે. The first value indicate x and second value indicate y. Okay. This is okay. Sorry. This is x. This is y. This is x. And this is y. Okay. Now first we are finding correct value of x. Sigma x. Actually, sigma x is given by 125. Okay. Then by correct value of x in sigma x. So correct value of x is given by 8 and 6 plus 8 plus 6. Now subtract wrong values. Wrong values respectively 6 and 8 minus 6 minus 8. Okay, there is no change because minus plus 6 8 cancel. Sigma x is 125. Okay. Now find out sigma y. Sigma y is given by 100. Okay. Add correct values of y. Correct value, this is correct value 12 and 8 plus 12 plus 8. Now subtract wrong values 14 and 6. 14, 6. But again 12 plus 8, 20 minus 14 minus 6 also 20. 20 minus plus cancel out. There is no change in value of y. It is 100. Okay. Now third value sigma x square. CD sigma x square. Sigma x square is 650. 650 plus add square of correct values. चलो तो correct value x ની છે તો 8 square plus 6 square. Now subtract square of wrong values. 6 square minus 8 square. Okay. So again square cancel out. No change 650 को હજી સુધી ફરક પડ્યો નથી. Okay, now sigma y square. Sigma y square is equals to 460. 460 plus add correct value, square of correct value, 12 square plus 8 square. Subtract square of wrong values of y. 14 square minus 6 square. Okay. It is equals to 460 plus 12 square 144 plus 8 square 64 minus 196 minus 36. Okay, चलो calculate कर लिए 460 plus 144 plus 64 minus 196 minus 36. 436 ચાલો તો અહીંયા ચેન્જ થાય છે 436. 436 sigma y square equal to. Okay. Now find out sigma xy. Sigma xy. Sigma xy is given by 508. 508. We have to add product of x and y. Correct value. We have to add product of correct values of x and y. Means 8 into 12. Okay. We have to choose pair. આવી રીતે pair આખી select કરવાની. એમ નહીં ચાલો પહેલા સર x નું કરી નાખીએ તો પછી y નું એમને આખી pair લેવાની. 8 into 12 plus 6 into 8. Okay, now subtract the product of wrong values. Minus 6 into 14 minus 8 into 6. બંને તો cancel થઈ જશે. 6 into 8 48, 8 into 6 48. Okay. બાકી જે calculation છે એ આપણે કરીએ. Sigma xy is equals to 508 plus 8 12s are 96 minus 80. So it gives us 508 plus 96 minus 80. 520. Sigma xy is equals to 520. Okay. So here we find out the correct values of uh, all sigma x, sigma y, x square, y square, and xy. N is equals to 25. Okay. Now we have to find two regression lines. So first, in order to find two regression lines, we need values of x bar and y bar. Find out x bar. X bar equal to sigma x upon n. Okay. Sigma x correct value. Select correct values. 125. 125 upon n is given by 25. So x bar is equals to 5. Similarly, y bar equal to summation y upon n. Summation y correct value is 100 upon 25. It is equals to. Okay. Now find out first regression line. Regression line of y on x. Okay. First find out b. B equals to byx equal to n sigma xy minus sigma x into sigma y upon n sigma x square minus sigma x whole square is equals to n is given by 25. Okay. Correct value of sigma xy, here we find 520. 520 minus sigma x in and sigma y લખેલા છે આપણે 125 into 100 upon n is 25. Sigma x square correct value 650 minus sigma x whole square 125 whole square. Okay, चलो simplify करिए. 25 into 520 13,000 minus 12,500. Okay, 125 into 100 12,500 divided by 25 multiplied by 650. 16,250. 16,250 minus 125 square 15,650. Okay, now subtraction of numerator. 13,000 minus 12,500, it is 500 upon 16,250 minus 15625. Sorry, 625. So 500 upon 625, it gives us 500 divided by 625 equal to 0.8. Okay, so b equal to 0.8. Now find out a. A equals to y bar minus bx bar. So y bar, અહીંયા જે આપણે મેળવેલું છે, y bar equals to 4 minus b equal to 0.8 into x bar equal to 5. Okay, so 4 minus 8 5s are 40. It is equal to 4. 4 minus 4 equal to 0. Okay, chalo to a equal to 0. So regression line find karo. Y is equals to a plus bx. Therefore, y equals to a એટલે 0 plus bx. Bx 0.8 x. Therefore, we can write y is equals to 0.8 x only. Okay, this is our answer. We don't have to write 0. Okay. Now find another regression line. Second regression line. Regression line of x on y. Okay, regression line of x on y. First we need b is equals to bxy equal to n sigma xy minus sigma x into sigma y upon n sigma y square minus sigma y whole square. Okay, so numerator we find 500 upon n is equals to 25. Sigma y square, correct value of sigma y square. Yes, it is 436. 436 minus sigma y whole square. Sigma y, I think it is 100. 100 shekel is sigma y 100. Okay. 100 whole square. It is equals to 500 divided by 25 multiplied by 436. 10,900 minus 100 square is 10,000. Okay, so what left? 500 upon 900. 0, 0 cancel out. 5 by 9. 5 divided by 9. It is equals to 0.56. 0.56. B equal to 0.56. Now find out C. Okay, હવે અહીંયા ભૂલ નહીં કરીએ આપણે. C equals to x bar minus by bar. So x bar is equals to I think 4 के 5 છે. X bar 5 and y bar 4. 5 minus 0.56 into, so it is equals to, चलो डायरेक्ट कैलकुलेट कर लिए 0.56 0.56 multiplied by 4, it is equals to 2.24 minus 5, 2.76 2.76. Okay, and now our last answer, regression line, is x is equals to c plus by. Therefore x is equals to what? C, 2.76 plus b, 0.56 into y. So this is our another regression line of x on y. Okay. Okay, તો આઈ હોપ કે તમને આ ત્રણેય સમ ખ્યાલ આવી ગયા હશે. આપણે ત્રણેય ટાઈપ અલગ અલગ ટાઈપના સમ લીધા. ફર્સ્ટ મીન ઇન્ટીજર હોય, લાસ્ટ સેકન્ડ સિમ્પલ સમ, થર્ડમાં કરેક્શન વાળો સમ. ઓકે, હવે નેક્સ્ટ વિડીયોમાં આપણે અલગ મેથડના સમ્સ લઈશું. ઓકે.